Good morning and warm welcome to my dear sweet little children. I hope you all are enjoying your digital learning. And I'm sure you all are also excited for your Diwali festival. But, dear children, you will have to take care. Don't forget, Corona is still not gone. But you take due care when you are celebrating the festival. Today, let us begin with subject English, Unit 3, Lesson number 19, The Ugly Duckling. This is a story about duckling. Duckling means small duck. Young one of duck is called duckling. I will first read the story for you. I want you all to pay attention to your textbook. Lesson number 19. The Ugly Duckling. Mother duck was really proud of her 6 new ducklings. They were soft, fluffy and yellow. Such fine little ducklings, but the 7th one was very different. It was bigger and its feathers were grey and shaggy. It looked so ugly. All the same, Mother Duck thought, it's my baby duckling. She loved it dearly. But the other 6 brothers and sisters did not like the ugly duckling. When it waddled towards them, they turned their backs and ran away. The little ducklings would go for a swim every day to a lake nearby. The ugly duckling wanted to join the others, but they did not want him. They always swam away from him. He was left all alone. The ugly duckling swam better than the other ducklings, which did not please them at all. They teased him about his ugliness. His only friend was his mother. Other ducks told his mother, all your ducklings are smart, but this big fellow looks so different. Why is he so ugly? His mother only said, he is mine and I love him too. At last, feeling very lonely and sad, the ugly little duckling decided to leave the lake. He made his way to the river's edge and swam away with the river. Wherever the poor duckling tried to seek shelter, he found that he was always ridiculed by others. Smaller birds, animals, even human beings poked fun at him. He became the lonelier and more miserable. By and by, he grew bigger and stronger. But whenever he looked at his own reflection, he thought, I look so ugly. He was afraid to look at his own reflection. He hid himself if he saw anyone coming. One day, when he was hiding among the reeds, he saw a flock of graceful white swans swim past. They were the most beautiful birds he had ever seen. How wonderful to be like them, he said to himself. Then came winter, with cold winds and snow. Without any shelter, the poor duckling was frozen in the snow. A kind man saw him. He broke the snow and saved the duckling. Soon it was spring. The duckling had now gained a lot of strength. Again, he found his way to the river's edge and swam further away. One fine morning, when he flapped his wings against his sides, he rose high into the air. He flew on and on till he found himself in a beautiful, fragrant garden. From a thicket close by came 3 beautiful white swans, rustling their feathers and gliding lightly over the smooth water. The duckling remembered the lovely birds. He was afraid to meet them, but he felt a strange longing to be with them. He made up his mind to approach them, no matter how badly they treated him later on. He swam towards the beautiful birds and bowed his head down to the surface of water. And what he see in the clear stream below? His own image, no longer a dark, grey, ugly bird, but a graceful and beautiful swan. The other swans swam round the newcomer and welcomed him. The bird that had lived a miserable life as an ugly duckling was a swan after all. He curved his slender neck and cried joyfully from the depth of his heart. I never dreamt of such happiness on his while I was an ugly duckling. Dear children, I hope you have followed the message and also you have understood the lesson. But still, at the end, I would like to narrate the story in short for you. Dear children, a mother duck gave birth to 7 ducklings. Small ducks, young one of duck is called duckling. Amongst these 7, 6 ducklings were very soft, fluffy, looking very pretty, yellow in color. But this 7th duckling was something different. His appearance was ugly, but through his heart, he was very kind. But the 6 ducklings, his brothers and sisters, they did not like his appearance, so they never tried to communicate or get involved with 7th duckling. This hurt him a lot. Whenever these 6 brothers and sisters went into the lake for swimming, this 7th duckling also tried to join them. But alas, they did not like him. They did not bother that he is also there. They all enjoyed themselves, but they did not notice it. Finally, one day, this duckling gets very angry. But you know what? Mother duckling never differentiated in her kids. The other brothers and sisters, 6 ducklings, they asked mother that why this brother duckling or is like this. Mother says, however he is mine and I love him from bottom of my heart. I don't bother his color. I just love him because he is mine. But this duckling, seventh duckling, wherever he went, everywhere he was insulted. No one loved him. Once he decides that I will leave the lake and I will go in the rivers. When he proceeds towards rivers, there also no one makes him friend. No one talks to him because of his appearance. Now this duckling becomes so much tensed and depressed that he starts hiding. Once he hides inside the reeds, and then winter comes. Snowfall, winds, cold winds has made this duckling's condition worst. One kind man comes and saves his life. And then, after the winter goes off, this swan, he little bit flatters his wings and he notices that I could fly. With the happiness, he flies and flies and flies. At last, he reaches a beautiful garden where there was a pond and there were beautiful white swans. These 3 swans were swimming in the water. Looking at them, this duck feels, wow, they look so beautiful. Even I wish to become like them. And when he comes near the water to drink water, as soon as he bows down, he sees that, oh my God, I look so pretty. No longer I am grey, no longer I am dark, no longer I am ugly. Now I look graceful and beautiful. As soon as he sees his change in the appearance, he becomes very happy. And from bottom of his heart, he joyfully cried, I never dreamt of such happiness as this while I was an ugly duckling. I was not thinking that I will become swan. And God has made me so beautiful. And whatever he went through, he forgot in one moment. This one happiness helped him to forget all the sadness he had gone through till now. Dear children, we have to learn like this duckling, that after sadness there is happiness. There is lot of happiness. So when we are happy, we should forget all our past sadness and we should enjoy the happiness which has come to us with fullest of our heart, and never remember the sadness. There are ups and downs in our life. It has to be, because these ups and downs teaches us a lot, and we should never forget this teaching. We must always remember the teaching of that life has taught us till now. So dear children, with this positivity, I end this lesson here. Tomorrow I will explain you paragraph wise. So for today you are going to write meanings which are there after your in your workbook 3 times in your 0 number book. I repeat, write all the meanings from your workbook in your 0 number book 3 times.